Welcome to our channel. Finding free and legal TV apps for Firestick is easier than you think. Follow these step-by-step instructions to access great content without breaking the law. Step 1. Download the official Amazon App Store apps. Pluto TV, Tubi, IMDb TV, and Crackle are completely free and legal streaming services. Step 2. Install YouTube on your Firestick for access to millions of free videos, including movies, shows, documentaries, and live streams. Step 3. Try Peacock TV, which offers a free tier with thousands of hours of content from NBC Universal, including classic shows and movies. Step 4. Install the Roku Channel app, which provides free movies, TV shows, and live news without requiring a Roku device. Step 5. Download news apps like ABC News, CBS News, and CNN for free live news streaming directly on your Firestick. Step 6. Use streaming services free tiers. Services like Sling TV and Fubo TV sometimes offer free content alongside their paid subscriptions. Step 7. Remember that legitimate free apps are supported by ads. If an app claims to offer premium content without ads or payment, it's likely illegal. Step 8. Avoid unofficial, secret codes or third-party downloaders promising free premium content. These often lead to malware, legal trouble, or poor quality streams. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.